In this video, I'll show you how to install the Oculus glass spacer on your Quest 2 if you're wearing eyeglasses just like I do. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is take your Oculus in this position, and with your thumb here, you're going to push on this plastic part, okay? Nothing will break, it will just unclip. Now what you have to do is turn it around, and on the top section, take your two thumbs and push the piece, the plastic piece, okay? So it will completely detached, you'll not break anything. You can remove this, this part with the foam, put it aside, and now take your glass spacer. What you'll need to do is take it this way, so the nose part goes exactly where the nose goes on the Oculus Quest 2. And you're gonna clip it the same way as this was clipped, okay? So you're gonna take it this way, okay? Just align it. You're gonna need to press it down with your two thumbs here until you hear a click, okay? You just need to hear one click. Now turn it around. Oops, I know it's a bit hard to see, but you're gonna put one thumb here and the other thumb over here. You're gonna press down and yeah, you should hear another click. Just make sure it's right in. And now you're gonna put back the foam piece. To do so, just insert it, make sure that the nose part goes where the nose is. You'll have to align it. Okay, and when you're ready, again, you're gonna press with your thumbs down here and then turn it around. And again, press down and you should hear a big click. And make sure it's stable and you should be done. Now, when you use your glasses, there'll be more space between your glasses and the actual lens here, so they won't enter in contact. You will be able to see much better. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next one.